so happy.
Wow, that's so cute. Okay, so we just got a parrot with a new.
So I was out just, searching for some sand, and I heard a witch noise, and then I saw a bass, and then I saw a parrot, and I've never seen one before in Minecraft. And I just ran and got some seeds, and now he's mine.
He's so cute. I love him.
His name is Felipe. I don't know. That was just the first name that came to mind. And he looks like a Felipe. So.
Yeah, he does look like a Felipe. Okay, Molly, so what are we doing today?
So, if you guys haven't heard, we are making a hub.
Right here.
In the middle.
Your parrot flew off your shoulder.
Oh, Felipe, don't fly away. Anyways, we're making a hub here. And it's going to be like, we'll have a glass waterfall, and then there'll be a hallway to that side where there's already part of the house.
He's sitting on your shoulder. That's
and a hallway over there.
Yeah.
And a hallway over there. So it'll be like the middle, the center, kind of. So what we need to do is get a bunch of jungle wood and glass. So.
All right, that sounds great. So, yeah, basically, let me just talk about what I'm probably going to be doing on this channel. So, I'm probably going to be playing with Molly a lot. That's why she's in my intro.
Yes.
We're still, yeah, and then I'll probably be playing with my brother a lot as well, and he's Neon Dude.
And sometimes we'll all play together.
Yeah, there'll be times like that, too. So, yeah, it should be a lot of fun. I really like Dan TDM and Stampy Longnose. That's why I get a lot of inspiration from them. Like this house.
Yeah.
And we also have, I'm on Shao as well. You should follow me at Deadly Unicorn 02. Yeah.
Look at Felipe. He's flying down the hallway.
Really? Oh my god, there are so many arrows everywhere from when you fought the skeleton earlier.
Oh, great. Anyways.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, and
Felipe.
with the new update, so we're on Minecraft PE, by the way, if you haven't. Oh my god, there's literally a skeleton shooting me.
Oh, do you think he could kill Felipe?
Let me try my
I wonder if I can. Oh, I'm gonna do this.
He probably can kill Felipe. How do you
to keep Felipe safe? I'm going to go into upstairs, okay? And while we're gone, I'm gonna do what I do with my dog sometimes. I'm gonna tell him to sit. So he can't get hurt.
Yeah, Felipe can sit, I believe.
Do you see him?
I don't know.
Is he on my shoulder? He might be on my
yeah, he's on your shoulder.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Aww.
So cute.
I love him.
I love when he sits on your shoulder. That's adorable.
He's so cute.
He's so adorable.
Tell me when he gets off my shoulder.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Ah, he made a little noise.
Here, let me give a tour of the treehouse. So this is our treehouse. This is our Shao Wall of Fame. Right now it's just me and her. We should probably add Neon Dude too. And yeah, we won't really be saying like our real names because internet safety. But
those are just our Minecraft names.
Yeah.
So if we say any names, they're not our real names. Just gonna say that. That's all because of safety. So yeah. Oh, it's becoming night. So
yeah. These are our beds. Okay, wait. Let me just tour it quick. So this is the long hallway. We're still getting carpets here to like fill in. Oh my god, did you hear your parrot make that noise?
I know.
This is the long hallway that we're gonna make into a hub. I almost just killed myself. I'll get more doing it in the morning. This gives you a good view of what it looks like so far. Are you gonna do glass all the way down the hallway, Mo?
Possibly. We're already doing glass with the other thing. I mean, that would look cool. Maybe like part of it. That would. Yeah. I mean, it just depends on how much sand we can get. So let's go to bed. And also, we'll show you the outside in the morning.
Also, there's
Felipe's
this new.
Off my shoulder now.
Really?
You see him?
Yeah. Oh
Good morning, Felipe.
He's sitting on your bed.
Okay, I told him to sit, and now he's gonna stay there. No, I told you to sit.
He is sitting. He just likes to flap around.
I don't want him going.
I need to eat something. Oh, he's following you.
Felipe.
Just make him sit again.
Felipe, where are you going?
Felipe.
Oh, I love him. I'm just nervous that if I go out.
So I guess the two types of parrots you can have are green and
Oh, Felipe! I'm so sorry.
How do you feed him? Seeds. Seeds.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my god. I just caught the animal abuse on camera.
Oh, Felipe.
He's going to be taken away from you.
I'm so sorry. Where is he?
He's on your shoulder.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Felipe. I feel so bad.
Oh my gosh.
Is he still on my shoulder.
No, he's following you.
Hi, Felipe!
Feed him.
I can hear his little wings flapping.
Oh, I heard him like make a squeaking noise. He's so cute. Hi. Where'd he go?
Okay, I'm gonna go find some. So you go store in the wood, okay? Also, can you go grab? Oh, a melon! I grew a melon.
Felipe literally just flew down the ladder. Holy crap! That was so cool.
Oh.
Whoa, my God! What is that?
What's going on? I keep hearing those noises.
Maybe it's somewhere. Oh my God! I can hear it too.
Is that like Felipe or something?
Oh, that's not Felipe. Are you kidding me? Yeah, he's on your shoulder.
Oh, thanks.
Oh my God.
I don't like it. It seems like they're right here.
I have an axe.
Okay, I grew a melon. Look at my melon I grew.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
And I grew two.
Oh my God! What are those
You need to
noises?
stop that. I don't like
Is that Felipe?
No, I don't think so.
I'm looking around. I'm doing a search.
See,
That's
so
Felipe.
sweet.
He's so cute.
He's so nice. Felipe would
I
never
think
hurt
it's
me.
just like a zombie, a rogue zombie somewhere.
But I can't stop hearing it. It won't be that loud.
Maybe
I got 5 melons.
there could be like a cave right next to you.
Yeah.
That's probably
Maybe
what it
there's a
is.
spawner. Come here, Felipe.
Like there's probably like a cave like under there somewhere.
No, Felipe. I'm sorry. Come on.
He can fly over, Ma.
Come on, Felipe. Okay, we gotta stop those sounds. I don't like them.
I think it's just in a cave somewhere because like we're kind of like under-ish.
I know,
ground.
but I've never heard that.
I see a skeleton in the lake over there.
So I'm gonna go grab a bush to fix that. Can you start getting some wood?
Sure. You want jungle wood? I mean,
Yeah,
basically the only
maybe.
thing we kind
And
of.
then you also need to get some sand.
Okay.
What the heck was that?
That was your parrot.
It was like, hey.
I don't know. Maybe it wasn't your parrot. I don't know. Yeah. So what? Do you want to explain to them what we're gonna try to do? Like with our hub.
Yeah, so basically our hub is going to connect to all the different parts of the house that we built and also the parts
That's
that
the hub up
we're
there.
going to build. And it's going to be like the center.
Yes.
And basically we're planning on building a huge house that stretches across most of the jungle. That's really cool. And you'll come with us to get stuff, to build, to mine, to grow a garden, whatever we want to do.
Yeah.
The point of Minecraft, just you get to do what you want to do. So.
That's what makes Minecraft so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, make sure you guys.
I don't like those sounds. Why are they?
Oh my God! I can't even climb vines right now.
know
I gotta.
what those are coming from, but
Yo.
okay. As I'm going over here, they're even
Louder.
yeah.
Do you have your parrot on you?
No. Yeah, Felipe's.
Where?
Maybe it's
is-
Felipe. I don't know.
I don't think it is because I don't think a parrot would be growling.
Let's go mining.
Okay. I need
Because
to.
I know it's kind of.
No, we
boring.
should build the hub for a video.
Okay, that's true. Yeah, building the hub, that's a good idea. And then after we build the hub, as like
Yeah.
a little reward.
Sorry, we're so informal as we try to learn how to make YouTube videos.
Yeah, I mean,
How do I even craft? Here we go.
so, sorry about my voice, by the way. It's usually not like this. I just have a cold. So, usually my voice won't sound this annoying, but
It doesn't sound bad.
alas. Oh, you never showed them the dock.
Also,
I don't think you've ever seen this. I built
what?
a dock.
Oh, you did? Oh, I'll come
It's
down.
little. It's not very much of a deal, but it's a dock.
We'll come check it out. I see your name. I see your name. Okay. Also, if you want to be on our Shao Wall of Fame, make sure you turn on post notifications and subscribe, like, and leave a comment all at once.
Yeah,
if
you
you
do
want
all
to be
that,
on our
then
Shao
you will
Fame.
be on our forever wall
Of Shao Fame, and which we will review every day.
And also our first, like,
oh my God, a baby sheep.
Our first 10 subscribers automatically are going to be there, and
Yes, first 10 subscribers are already on. I know you already have 1 subscriber. You'll be on.
And I mean, this is our first video, so besides the intro, but I mean,
I think you should keep seeds on you at all time in case we see another parrot.
I should keep what?
Seeds on you.
I don't have any seeds with me.
Well, if you just destroy some long grass. Oh my
Okay.
God, there's a skeleton in the lake.
So while she's getting some jungle wood, how about, I know this sounds like a lot, but do you think you could aim for like 200 pieces? Because that's a lot. I know how
Of
much.
sand?
No, of wood.
Oh.
And of sand. I know that's a lot, but then we'll just have a lot to work with. Oh.
What?
Oh my god, is that a spawner?
Where?
Right over there. What's that thing in
Where
there?
are you? Hang on, let me look for your gamer tag. I don't see you. Oh, I see
think
you.
it's
Stay there. I'll explore it. Oh.
Oh my god. I'm really hearing noises over here, so. Right.
Where?
Go in that cave. There's
that
something
cave?
in that cave. I would go, but I don't want Felipe to get hurt.
It's just a skeleton.
Is there, like, a spawner in there? So I think there is.
Ah! No, it's a spider.
I'm going for it. Felipe's gonna be fine.
No, Molly, sit him down.
He is. He's over there.
No, he's not. He's following
tell him
you.
to sit.
I can't tell him to sit. He can't swim.
Felipe, no!
Ah!
Is he okay? Tell him
He's
to
like
sit.
drowning.
Felipe!
Oh my god!
I hear the witches, and they're definitely here.
I don't know where they are. Like, where would a witch be? Because you can, like, hear the cackling, right?
Yes. Oh, Felipe, you're safe. Okay, sit.
This is a cave. Oh, this is a mining cave.
I mine down here.
Oh. Wait, where's your house?
We'll show you the mines when we do a mining video, which will be
Our next video, so make sure you watch that if you want to see the mining caves.
Yeah.
Oh,
we're not going
Felipe's
to be those
up
people who
here.
post like once a week. We're just kind of going to post whenever we want. So.
Felipe, what are you doing? Did you hear that?
I need to figure what this is. There's got to be a spawner under us. Like, I hear the witches.
Yeah, I
hear
think
the
I
zombies.
think there's like a cave under us.
There is. I mined in it, but like, I didn't know there was that stuff in it.
If you mined in it, then let's go down there.
But that's our next video, so
yeah,
we'll worry about that next. So you worry about the jungle stuff.
Alright.
Where's Felipe?
He's behind you.
It's like they're right next to me.
I know. It's so weird. I also don't know how to make a thumbnail for YouTube, so we'll figure that out. Alright, I feel like I should end this video here.
Why?
Because, so that we still have content for other videos.
But we're trying to build our hub.
That can be the next video.
This is a very short video.
That's alright, it's just like an introduction. Okay, there's Felipe. I'll do my outro.
Don't end it.
I'll
Don't end it.
Why?
Because we need to at least start building the hub, and then we'll be like, stay tuned for more.
Okay, they can hear all of this.
I know.
Okay, then let's go build the hub.
But we don't have enough to build the hub. How many pieces of wood do you have?
17.
Get 20, and then we'll start building it. I have 15 pieces of sand. I need to go get more. Oh, actually, I need to go inside because I don't have any food. Felipe, you can get up now. I'm sorry. Stand.
I also need like a good editing thing right now. I just have iMovie, and it's like okay, but not really.
Anyways. Oops, I'm going back.
Do Minecraft animals like ever die unless you kill them? I don't think they do.
Where is my parrot?
He's coming.
He's on my shoulder.
How do you know?
Because I checked.
How
I
can
went
you
like
check?
this.
Oh my god, how do you do that?
I just hit this.
Oh, cool.
Were you checking if you had a parrot on your shoulder?
No, I was just checking like...
More cocoa beans are growing on their own.
Do you want me to turn all of this wood into planks?
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna cook. Oh, I have 8 pieces of glass and.
I have a stack of wood plus 4.
So okay, so I have more glass than I thought because I guess I have some glass.
Do you want me to build these walls up, Mo?
Which walls?
The hub walls.
Let's wait to see like the dimensions that we want, and then we'll build that. Anyways, where's Felipe?
He's on your shoulder.
Okay. So I have some glass cooking, and
Now he's off your shoulder. plant some seeds. Can I feed your parrot? I guess I can't.
Just put any seeds in this bin here. That's
You have a lot of seeds.
Bin. I call it like my natural seed.
Nice. How do you set Felipe down? Try it.
I don't know.
He's right behind you. Did you see him?
Yeah. I have an idea. Let's go to bed, okay?
Okay.
And we'll see whatever we can accomplish in the next day will be in the video. And after the next day is over, like when we go to sleep the next time, I think we should end the video.
I'm in bed. Molly.
I'm coming.
This is actually a really long video, so when we wake up, I'll end it.
No.
Yeah. No. Yes.
Fine.
Okay. All right. Should I do? I'll do this for you. You can be in my outro. Hang on. All right. That's the end to this video. If you're right there, hi.
Hi.
All right. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Make
sure you subscribe to me. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment.
Subscribe to her channel.
To me.
I will be on. Oh wait, hold on. I'm backwards. I will be on quite a few videos.
Probably a lot of them. And make sure you subscribe for more Felipe, because who doesn't want Felipe? And make sure you watch our next few videos, which is probably going to be building the hub and mining. So yeah, we're going to go look for that witch. If you want to see how that turns out, we'll probably be playing survival games and Mineplex. I'm talking way too much because I don't know how to YouTube. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.